it's been a while. I've dropped some content on my YouTube channel, and it's because I took a long break, a very long break, and I think my last video was dated 9 months ago, which was the voiceover, and that's because I had so much on my plate. But here we are back to trading, and we are going to be talking about a massive challenge we're going to be doing. We're going to be flipping. I think it's to flip $10 to $100 within a week, and from there take it subsequently to $1,000. That's the target I'm having for now. So right now I'm going to be dropping the analysis of what I see, what I predict, or how I forecast what the market is going to do this week. And we're going to be starting with the alma mater pair. I'm going to be analyzing, I think, 3 main pairs. The other one's my personal favorite. I'll just analyze all this, keep up to the community. And also, if you want to stay in contact with every trade that we post within the week and every single setup I'm going to be taking, you can join my WhatsApp group or a Telegram group. The WhatsApp group are doing the challenge already. That's a $10 to $100 challenge. See how much we can grow our targets in every little trader out there. Okay, now without any further ado, let's go to it. So you can see this is the DXY. It's a DXY chart for the weekly view. Let's go to the monthly and let's see what the money has in store for us. Let's see what we can analyze and speak from the monthly. So on the monthly time frame, what we have here is, if you look on the right here, there's this very beautiful order block that's been holding price for a while. It's been acting as a perfect key level, a support level. As we look on the right, while looking at my support and smart money traders, if you look on the right, you're seeing price actually dancing around here for a while. So this is a beautiful demand zone which price has been reacting to for a while, and this was perfect liquidity which we took. This was an accumulation pattern. Let me draw it perfectly well. So we had an accumulation, manipulation, or we had a distribution. So from now, there's a high probability of us, since we're continuing the trend from a previous trend, I think we're going to see price continue bullish for a while. So XY is going to be picking up this bullish momentum to go up. And with that, so we're anticipating for the next few months, or potentially the year, we might be seeing bullish DXY to this level. But for that to happen, I would love to see this key level invalidated first. So on the monthly, it shows us high probability of bullish DXY. Now let's drop to the weekly and find some key setups. So on the weekly, we can realize that we have had price action change from the last time price came here. The price creating this equal lows, which is going to be a beautiful liquidity. Going to be beautiful liquidity in the nearest one. So what we have now is this liquidity level, and I'm anticipating that as price has created this new structure after having, before we had these lower lows, we're having lower lows. Right now, our price taking out this one. We saw price take out this last low break structure, and we had a retest and we're seeing price. There's a high probability for us to see price tap here and push up to continue the bullish momentum. So what we're going to do that on the weekly, we're going to look for a pullback, a valid, very valid pullback. So the first key level I have on the weekly is this beautiful mitigation block, which price can react to. I also have this demand level, this beautiful order block down here. This one was mitigated. So I have these 2 key levels, and forgive my chat, it's very dated. It's because I'm trying to explain the concept as simple as ABC to everyone watching this video. So right now we're going to be putting it down, and if we are to look for perfect setups, let's move this trend line and let's minimize this. So this is a very nice mitigation block, mitigated already, and we also have beautiful key level down here, which might be also still be this mitigation block here. Sorry for that. We still have this mitigation block down here, which price could react to, or still price could even not react to this and decide to react to this. Since I'm not a swing trader, those are the key levels I'm looking at. So now price could potentially react from here to push to the upside. And remember, a bullish DXY means bearish EURUSD, and a bearish DXY means bullish EURUSD. So if we're looking for potential buys back for market to continue in this bullish pattern, we're going to be looking for sales on EURUSD. So for now, market is showing us bullish confirmation. So let's see where the market takes us. So for now, let's see this mitigation block pops up here, and let's go down to the lower time frame, let's go to the 4-hour and see what happens. So on the 4-hour, we have this beautiful mitigation block aligning also with this key level here. Now we're having 2 key levels that align with this other mitigation block here. So now we have high potential of price pushing back up here, and this was a beautiful liquidity sweep to support this demand zone to push up. And if price fails, this is going to be liquidity to fail this other zone pushing to the upside. But to be sure this demand zone is going to, this zone is going to hold, we're going to be looking at the next potential supply zone, and which is this one. And I'm going to be marking this one as my liquidity. So let's see what price does. So we're anticipating that if price pushes up to this key level, we will have high probability of seeing sales. We have high probability of seeing sales. If you like setups like this and you want to see them every day, how I break down the charts detailedly like this, you can always join my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp channel, where I share my setups daily on my outlook of the market, and you can get to ask questions to me for free. No mentorship, nothing, for free. So just click on the subscribe button to stay glued to the channel, and also like, share, comment, and if it helped you, share it to other people. Thank you. Okay, right now, from here, after seeing this failure swing, it's showing a high probability of us seeing higher prices to this level. So I'd love to see DXY react to this level, and if DXY break, I'd love to see it break and push to the upside. Or I'd like to see DXY react from here and maybe come back down here to this key level here. So those are the two forecasts I have for DXY. But for all indications now, I want to see DXY move to the upside before dropping back down. That's the main thing I want to see. So because I don't want the video to be too long, I'll quickly analyze EU and the rest as fast as I can, so I can make the video 10 minutes max. Same thing on the weekly time frame. I'm going to be breaking structure again. Let's start with the weekly. Price rated this structure, close back within the range, and most of my self traders understand what I meant by close back within the range. Like I said, if you want to know more, join my group chat. You're free to always ask questions. I always attend to every single one. Go to the monthly time frame first to realize that price is reacting to a previous demand zone that occurred in 2021. So price has done this beautiful rejection in showing that there's a high probability for us to see price here. So you see that our analysis for DXY and EU are already mapping out, so we might have massive sales on EU. And the fundamentals actually support this. The US economy has picked up massively since Trump taking over. And actually, though most traders might not like Trump, but we have to admit he has been doing massive economic change for the US. With interest rate dropping, more investors popping in, and the war with Iran dominating the oil markets, which every single country have had to increase their oil prices except the US. So, disclaimer, this is just fundamental advice, and in no way am I talking anything with politics. I'm just talking in terms of my view as a trader. So for EU, the next key zone I'd love to see is this. So now this is indirectly supporting my buys for DXY, because if I want to see, my source for DXY, meaning we have to see price this year, and I want to see DXY literally sell for a while. And this is a beautiful liquidity level we are going to be having on the daily time frame for it. So our two key levels to watch out for, we have this first demand zone and this other zones. I'll be looking for confirmation on these key levels. And now if we drop down to the 4 hour, we're going to realize that price is reacting to this level. This is an inducement for me. For me, this is definitely an inducement. I don't think price will do anything there. But I'm expecting price to maybe pull back to this key level and take out this liquidity. There are several liquidity levels. This is one. That's a major one. I like to see price take out this one, react to the level before push back to the upside. So that's my anticipation for EURUSD for the week, because this very beautiful level, key level that was left behind. So we should be anticipating buys from this key level. So we're going to see our market opening goes, and like I said, stay tuned, subscribe, and let's see how the market reacts based on the predictions I'm giving. So this is going to be my target. That's 1 to 4 weeks to work. So technically, this is my outlook for EU for the week, and alongside, I don't know if I'll catch this message small. I think I might catch small sell trades to here if I get the opportunity. But since if I don't, I'll just wait for the buys here and I'll hold to full TP. That's my outlook for GU. And like I said, this is going to be, I think, since EU GU always tends to be the same thing. I'm sure if EU is bearish, GU should be bearish too. So let's analyze everyone's favorite pair, which is gold. And after that, I think we can call it a video. So basically, gold has been bearish for a while, and I feel like it's going to want to recover from these massive pumps it has had for a long while. So we're going to have some corrections occurring. And with this new month starting, I think price is going up to form a new month low, maybe around 50% of this candle. So let me just see what price is doing here. This was the last low. Price is taking it out. It's the next potential high. And I think let's now go to weekly and see some more clear action. So So the weekly time frame price is still invalidating here, but the most last value structure was this demand zone here, and price is rejecting from it. Price rejecting from this level, sorry, from this level. This is supposed to be. And now there's a high probability to might see price take out this high and react to this demand zone before I might be thinking of price coming down low. So let's just see how the reaction of price is from this key level. Already at 10 minutes in the video. So let's hasten up. Weekly time frame, I'm looking for the rejection here and I'm expecting pullbacks like push up here. But let's see the structure that's going to confirm that to us. So the last value structure we had that broke this zone was this key level. So our market structure shift is going to be this, and if we can see market structure shift from here, we'll have high anticipations of price taking out. We'll have anticipation of price reacting like this to take out this zone, this key level. So let's put that aside and let's analyze more. So now let's look for a trade we can catch now, because I know my guys want to catch setups now. So we're going to see price take out this zone, this beautiful liquidity on it. And the next key level, which I'm suspecting that might hold price back again, is going to be this one, with this beautiful liquidity here set up on it. So till then, I'm going to be bullish throughout the way. And market throughout the way. So, but market is going to go and should keep buying for now, and I'm going to see price taking out these highs. That's one thing I'm very confident about. But I'm sure we should catch pullbacks to take pivots that. So since the most recent value structure price was split was this mitigation block, after giving us this change in character, this change in structure, because if you notice, price took out this low and broke that structure, and I was personally targeting for price to come to this lower key level, which could still happen. So, but I'm anticipating that for now, the most high probability level, which my first POI, the high probability POI I have is going to be this one. So, which I'm going to be anticipating that I want to see price take out this low and do this. But I want this to happen if and only if price takes me out this high. If price takes out this high and drops down here, oh my god, that can be that lot. So that's what I'm anticipating for gold. But like I said, I would love to see gold take out this high first before take out this level. So for now, that's the anticipation of gold, which is going to give us this key level here. So I have two POIs on gold, which is going to be this one for the first. And if you're taking from the 4-hour trade, which I will never, I'll wait for confirmation in the lower time frame, just to get a nice 1:4 to 1 trade. But if you get, that's when you have a lot of capital and you think price will break the structure. And if price comes to the second POI, it's going to make it better. While my stop loss gets to be below this low, and I'm targeting same high, and I get to make 1:5 roughly. Though I know myself, I might tighten stop loss a bit, so I have 1:6, 1:7 to 1. So thank you for staying tuned. For those who watched to the very end, I'm happy you watched the setup, and let's see how the week plays out. Like I said, you can always subscribe to my channel. You can join my Telegram groups. I share setups there every day and everything. So thank you and stay tuned for more content. Signing out.